journey begins in West Virginia and ends up in the suburbs of Chicago. My old boat had served me well, but I was looking for something with just a little bit more comfort and better setup for trolling. So I searched the interwebs and I stumbled upon a listing in a Facebook group. I contacted the gentleman, came to terms, and set off to get my new ride. Oh my gosh, that thing looks so cool. Dude, I love your place. Look at this thing. Oh my god, this is freaking crazy. Look at this. All back here by yourself. It's beautiful, it's quiet. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh, I love your house. This is what I need when I retire right here. Something just like this.
I'm selling it. I've been here 33 years.
Yeah, I want to move to I want to move here. Oh my god, dude, this thing is sweet. Just like, oh, look at it. It is sweet. Look at that. Rod holders. Oh, this is bad. Look at that motor. Holy cow. That is amazing. Oh, it's great, dude. It's great. I get a little excited about this kind of stuff. We decided to take the boat to Hideki Lake in Morse, Illinois for a little test run. Jim gives me a demonstration for how he launches the boat by himself.